As the world changes, and especially right now with the pandemic, the labor force is harder to find. It's very important that we have people on board who are trained and working as effectively as possible. The people you have, you want to make sure they're fully equipped to handle the different problems that may come across them from day to day, and we have to give them the best tools to be successful. My name is Paul Remillard. I'm the President and General Manager for Nordstrong Equipment Limited. Nordstrong Equipment Limited manufactures bulk material handling equipment for both the ag industry and the industrial industry. Bulk elevators, screw conveyors, drag conveyors, basically any kind of large equipment for moving bulk material. Being new to the company, right now the biggest challenge with training is developing a common language throughout the organization that everybody speaks, so that when everyone has context, when a person is talking about a type of training or a type of instruction, people understand what they mean. We are in the early stages of a lean journey at the moment. It's been great in this organization. Everybody has been embracing the change and wants to improve and understands the need to improve. So luckily it hasn't been a push that way. It's been well embraced. The interesting thing about lean is because CME and lean are synonymous with one another, it's really quite easy to get people to understand. I mean, they've seen so many positive outcomes from people doing lean in that journey that it's pretty readily bought into, and people really join into it pretty quick. The initial impact with CME's help, that definitely is a great way to start. It's the big change is more engagement right off the start. You start to see people more engaged and more passionate and more grassroots type improvements type happening. So really, the first one is to get the people to buy in and be, embracing what's happening. The financial improvements and, KPIs will improve after that. The nice part is, because I've done this journey a couple of times, it's easy when you're talking to people to let them know, hey, this is, good things will come, it'll work. Doubling our productivity should be something that's very doable in the next 4 or 5 years over time as we deploy it throughout the organization. I would expect the culture to be a very engaged in culture, problem-solving culture. A very collaborative problem-solving culture is what I would expect to see. Lean is a journey, not a destination. It's about pursuing perfection, and I've been using CME for 15 plus years now, and I anticipate to continue to use them in the rest of my career.